Let's see what our coyotes are doing today. They like coming up here in the sun. I'm at the Boeing Aerospace Pond. I caught one out here the other day. He drove in, then he went back in the bushes. I drove in today and got a glimpse of one slipping back in. So I pulled over here at the turnaround and zoomed in on them. So they're just kind of enjoying the sunshine this morning. They got a good hiding spot. Again, this is the pond. That's by the Boeing Aerospace facility. Used to be a great birding area. You could walk clear around it, but it's all grown up now and they're not maintaining it. But I lucked out the other day, just came in to check up, and I got a glimpse of a coyote there. And he slipped back in. So today I came in, I saw one shoot back in quick. They were out there sunning themselves. Looked like the young ones from this year, the pups. So I pulled over here to turn around, got my camera set up. We'll watch this one scratch up a little bit. Well, that's something. I got a coyote dead in there. I see two. He's got his sibling over there peeking out. We'll watch him for a bit. I thought I saw 3 earlier, but there may only be 2 peeking out here. But they're just enjoying that morning sunshine. And we're enjoying getting the video of them. Could come in a little bit more, maybe. You see. There we go. Try them right there for a while. They're all settled in. That's where they just slip right back into the bushes. They got berry bushes, and I'm sure they're well protected in there. Alright. Checking everything out. Coyotes get a lot of road kills too, birds and stuff to get hit by cars, and they bring it back and feed their pups. So all these ducks and geese get hit by cars in this area. They don't go to waste for long. Rabbits and such. Good food for a coyote. What's he doing now? Moving his stomach. We're going to cough something up, maybe. Let's see. Canines regurgitate. That's how the parents come back with food to feed them. Wolves do the same thing. This guy's got something going on here. He wants to cough something up. We'll watch. Never saw this before. There he goes, coughing it up. It's all natural behavior for canines. Good thing to remember with our dogs or house pets, they cough up not to panic. That's pretty much a canine activity. Alright, well, we documented that, so we'll call that good then. Let's see if we can locate some more of them.